Hi everyone, it's Jennifer, and today I have for you my Yarnable subscription. And let's take a look at what came in the box. So there it is. So let's see what it is. So this is exciting, getting everything out. So I guess we'll start with the bits first. And I get the card out. Okay. So first, it looks like there's napkins. So there's 2 gingham napkins. That's cool. I don't know why. And then there's a pouch. Oh, it said it's a good day for a good day. And in here, let's see what's in here. Oh, this is cute. And here is some cutlery. You can see it. I think that's bamboo. So there's some cutlery. There's the ends. I'll put those away. So we got some cutlery. And let's see. Yes, bamboo cutlery set. And a gingham napkin set. Oh, and then there is a recipe card. So there's a recipe card right there. It says P is for picnic from the What's for Dinner. So that's really cool. So there's a recipe card. That's nice. Alright. And I guess we shall take a look at the yarn. Yarn comes bagged like this. And here it is. Oh, how beautiful is this? Look at that. Look at the deep reds in that. That's gorgeous. And it is called Picnic Basket. It's in the plush DK. It's an 85-15 superwash nylon. And there's 246 yards or 100 grams. But look at that. Oh, there's a thread on it. Look at the colors in that. Oh my. I like that. That's really pretty. This reminds me of another friend of mine on YouTube. That is really a deep, deep shade of red. Wow. That's beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. So in this month's Yarnable, we got the yarn. We got some bamboo cutlery and some napkins. And we got a recipe. And of course, we can access with our QR code to get a pattern. So that's really nice. So I really like that. That's really cool. Riddle me this, what type of shoes do kitchen sinks hate? I have no idea. No Googling. Huh. It doesn't give you the answer, so I don't know what kind of shoes kitchen sinks hate. Not a clue. Maybe you guys know. Give me the answer down in the comments below. So, in the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.